it.
Right, so.
I feel like this is the bravest I've been in my life doing this. My gosh. Woo. So much quicker than actually getting on a bus and going somewhere. But I just kind of feel like, so you can tell I'm kind of gripping onto the seat right now. Not because there's a problem, just because it's very scary to be up this high. So I feel like I'm the bravest person on earth right now. Gary's brave too, but he's never afraid of anything. So we made it. Oh my gosh.
Will you play Midway Mania?
Getting ready to get on Toy Story Mania. And this will be the first time that Gary can really beat me because I'm going to be hanging onto a camera while I'm playing.
I can count on it.
Put my glasses on. Yeah. Nice.
Hey, partners! Greetings from the practice game.
was a 10th battle. I was trying to go for the big one. So
The Alien Saucer Swirl is only a 5-minute wait. We're gonna so do this. So we decided to try a Woody's Raspberry Lunchbox Tart. What do you think of it, Gary?
Well, after taking the first bite and the second bite and the third bite, it all came to one conclusion. The orange stuff on the top and this little crumbly stuff tastes okay, but the rest of it kind of has a floury taste to it. And I'd have to drink a lot of pop to at least get it a little bit more wet than what it is. But yeah, it's definitely too much flour in it.
All right. I actually kind of liked it. I would have to agree that there was a floury taste to it, but it did kind of remind me of actual Pop-Tarts, maybe a little bit better. Because let's face it, Pop-Tarts are not that great, yet we still eat them anyway. But I thought it was okay. It was not quite what I expected, but I'd probably eat it again. Would you?
No.
No.
Probably not.
Okay, and there you have it, an honest review.